This SCAUSY 270-degree barbecue meat resting blanket is thoughtfully designed to keep brisket, pork shoulder, and whole poultry warm and undisturbed while the juices redistribute. The extra thick insulated padding and nearly full perimeter opening make it much easier than foil or towels to load large smoked cuts and maintain consistent serving temperature. Its leak-resistant construction with sealed zippers and a smooth inner surface does a remarkable job of containing grease so it does not drip all over your prep table or car trunk. After a long cook, cleanup is simple because the interior wipes down easily with a damp cloth or warm soapy water instead of needing a full machine wash every time. The generous interior space comfortably handles substantial roasts yet still folds down for storage, making it a practical accessory for backyard gatherings, tailgates, and camping trips. Beyond weekend barbecue sessions, the blanket works well as a versatile gift for meat lovers, offering a useful upgrade to their smoker setup rather than another novelty gadget.